Hi everyone. A quick video. I want to give you a resource for credit repair. I have two ebooks where I can share so you guys know about credit, what happens with the credit bureaus. You know that this is a so it says includes all the information you need to repair your credit in as little as 30 days with easy to follow step by steps. It involves sending letters to the bureaus. So this is a 57-page ebook that I acquired and I wanted to share with you. I'm going to put the link in the description. And I have another one that I'm going to link to. So you guys have an idea about credit. Let's see what I can read here real quick. This is a very helpful guide. Let me see where I can read a little bit so you guys understand how these things work. You have to know that they make millions of dollars with your credit reports. It's not what you think. It's all fraud, it's all fear mongering. Um, that's why a lot of people are afraid to send the coupons as payments, making it into a money order because if they don't accept it, the bottom part of your statement that you get every month from car loan, credit card, everything is a check. And you can send it to the company, endorse, where you make it payable to the company or you make it payable to the treasury. There's several ways you can do it. Um, so it is a check. You can even, the banks will not allow you to deposit these um, coupons. So they're all, together in fraud. The banks, the credit cards, all the corporations. So this is a tactic that they use. So what they want, if you don't pay in, with money or with another check from your account, they're going to send you a bad report you to the credit bureaus. And that's their tactic. This is a fear mongering. That's what they use. And you're kind of, no way out. Kind of seems like it. But sometimes you send the coupons and you send them about 1, 2 times. And then you can send other things. You can send like a cease and desist letter. So they can be, zero out or even they cancel that debt. But that's the problem we run into. It's about the credit report. They always send it to the credit bureau, and then your credit is ruined. And that's the fear mongering and the tactics they use. So this is a good resource to read about it and get informed and just to see how it works. They make money of your suffering because that's, people, a lot of people are, let me see, I want to read something here that I just saw, but I don't see it anymore. I don't know why. But that's the tactic. That's how they do it. They're all in fraud and they control you with the credit report. But you shouldn't be afraid. You can fix your credit by sending letters to them. And this is a good guy. I don't know where. Okay, here it is. Okay. Does the creditor send the information to the credit bureau? However, this isn't what happens. In reality, the lenders never send the physical documents to the CRAs, which is technically against the law for them to put anything on your credit report, good or bad. The information they receive remains unverified. The law requires that the credit reporting agency, which are the CRAs, to verify the information they report. It does not require the creditor to verify anything, although they are supposed to do this at the time of the application for credit is made. Application for credit is made. It is completely up to the lender to do whatever they want as far as the credit approval. This is why if you request in writing, not over the phone, the CRAs to provide proof of account verification, they can't do it. They don't have the paperwork to back up negative report on your credit. This plays to your advantage, and you should use this position to clean up your credit. The CRAs are going to try to make you go to the creditor to get the verification, but it's not your job, and it's not. And it's not. It is not the creditor's job. It's the job of the CRAs to keep those physical records on file, and they never do it. It's not cost effective, and literally millions of people don't know this and therefore live with the bad credit when they don't have to. These things should be taught in high school before graduation. If if they were, many will not be in such a bad financial shape. So read this resource, this ebook, which is really, really good. So you get informed, see, don't start, suffering about the credit reporting on Fix Your Credit. And you can handle the companies with the coupons, send in the coupons. I am going to make some other videos about how you can, different ways you can send the coupons to the company. You're going to also send it to the IRS. And the first step is to get off no bill. You have to get your bill at home, the full bill, paper bill at your house, so you can start sending them to the IRS, sending them to the company, and with some letters. I also have some letters that I can share, so you can attach it to the coupon. And in about maybe 4 or 5 months of this, then your debts will be discharged. So I hope you follow me, like this video, and just don't be afraid. And one of the things that I always tell people, and I tell my children, I said, it's not you. The all caps name is not you. You are the strong man, the all caps, the one that is in debt. It's not you. So you are the representative, the authorized representative of your strong man. That's why you can have peace. You shouldn't be affected from all these things. That's what they want. They want you to be afraid. They want you to be fear mongering. Everything's fear mongering. So it's not you. Yes, you did. In reality, you did get into debt. I understand that, but it's not really you. It is your all caps. It is your strong man. So you have to detach from that and think, okay, I need to resolve the situation with my debt. I understand that, but I am not the person. I am the representative of that person. Okay, I am the agent. So when you see it through like a window from a house, you look through a window from the outside, you're seeing that straw man getting in debt every year, more and more every month, and you can just step out. Doesn't let not affect your life. And yes, you need to resolve. You do need to resolve things, but look at it as you are the representative, you are the lawyer. Well, not the lawyer, but the representative of that person, of the straw man. You are actually the beneficiary of it. but just step out and deal these things with being very smart, very calm down, and you'll see that your life changes because you're not that person. I've heard and I know people that are, their health is affected because of the debt. No, no, no. It's not you. Okay, I want to tell you, it's not you. When I decided that I still have some debt, and not me, the strong man. So all caps name has debt. I am the agent. I am the representative. When I step away from it and when I detach from that, my life changed. Because yes, I need to resolve for my strong man. I need to resolve because I'm the representative. So I need to resolve her situation when she didn't know who she was, right? So don't worry, the credit could be repaired, and just follow these ebooks that are really, really good. Start, get a computer if you don't have a computer, and start writing letters. Uh, this is about sending letters, nothing by phone, nothing, just send letters to them. Um, and you'll see that, you detach from it and you start living a different life. So I hope you follow me and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.